Listen, Linda, Larry, and Lee, let me tell you something. Relationships thrive when we stop giving our power away.
Fear manipulates and divides. In The Village by M. Night Shyamalan, elders spin chilling tales of monsters to keep everyone in line, isolating the community and tearing apart trust as truth unravels. With dim lighting and eerie soundscapes, even we, the audience, feel the deception. Like in this movie, fear blinds us to what truly matters. But what if we question the narratives or the impact of political rhetoric without a fear filter?
Some of you are out here giving your power away, left and right, falling out with people you love over external stuff, politics, opinions, the way Aunt Cindy-Loo double dips at the party, and most of it rooted in fear.
Fear is tearing us apart. Post-election, fear is not just shaping opinions, it's fueling the discord that fractures families and friendships. Fear, blame, and other low-energy emotions don't drive progress. They breed division, separation, and even destruction. I'm not a political whiz, but I am an expert on human behavior and relationships, and it's clear that fear is at the heart of this deeper distraction. Let's be honest. Fear is why many people voted the way they did, whoever they voted for. Fear of losing money, losing power, losing choice, losing identity, and much more. At its core, fear makes people feel unsafe when others disagree with their views, especially when there was once a sense of agreement. This lack of safety builds walls instead of bridges. And that's why today, I'm going to share with you how the 4 agreements can help us repair and rebuild relationships post-election.
Now, I'm not here to talk about politics because I enjoy keeping my personal power. Thank you very much. But if you're feeling drained by all the election energy or you've fallen out with someone you care about, stick with me. I've got a tool to help you take your energy back and maybe even start healing some of those bruised relationships. In this video, we're diving into the 4 agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. 4 powerful promises that if you make those agreements to yourself, you will stop giving your power away instantly and begin building bridges instead of walls. Number 1, make no assumptions. You know what assumptions do, right? They make situations worse. For example, your cousin didn't call to wish you a happy birthday. You assume they don't care, but maybe they forgot or they're swamped with life. So instead of stewing, ask a simple question. Hey, is everything okay? I missed hearing from you. That can help out. That can just clarify up so many different things. Stop filling in the blanks with fear or resentment. Get the facts. Assumptions are energy vampires.
Assumptions are energy vampires.
Number 2, the second agreement. Be impeccable with your words. Your words are seeds, and what you plant grows. If you're constantly saying things like, you never listen to me, or you're so selfish, those words will grow into walls. Instead, try saying, I feel unheard when this happens, or I would like more support in this area. It's not about sugarcoating. It's about speaking in a way that builds connection instead of tearing it down. Be mindful of your words. They're powerful. Third agreement, take nothing personally. This one is a game changer, folks. When someone criticizes or disagrees with you, 9 times out of 10, it's not about you. It's about them, their mood, their beliefs, their day. For example, your friend makes a snarky comment that may be connected with your political views. Instead of taking it as a personal attack, think about their perspective and don't look at it as it's about your worth. Don't let other people's opinions rent space in your head for free. Number 4, fourth agreement, always and only do your best. Your best may not be perfect, or your best on Monday may not be your best on Tuesday, and it's okay. It's all about what you can do with what you have at that moment. If you're tired, stressed, or emotionally drained, your best just might be saying, I can't have this conversation right now. I'd like to just, let's revisit it later. Is that okay? That's what it might mean. And that's what you'll have to do. This agreement about only doing your best, it's a way to overcome perfectionism. You know, when you find yourself you're maybe only at 40%, hey, that's your best. Own it. And when you fall short, just keep moving forward. By making these 4 agreements a part of your life, making no assumptions, being impeccable with your words, not taking things personal, and always and only doing your best, you reclaim energy and you create space for healing and understanding. Thank you, Don Ruiz. So next time you're attempted to assume, lash out, or take it personal, pause. Ask yourself, am I keeping my power or am I giving it away? Is this helping or is this hurting? I think I need to say that again. Is this helping or is this hurting? Is this helping or is this hurting? The holidays don't have to be filled with conflict, I promise you. They can be about connection if you set an intention to honor these agreements. Now go out there and build those bridges, or at least pass the green beans with love.
Do me a favor. Share in the comments below the one thing you can do to bring peace to your family celebration.